Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about how we can get started with JASP. We will look at how we can download, install, set up, and run the program. And at the end, we'll also look at how we can use it in one of the web applications. The JASP is just an acronym for Jeffrey's Amazing Statistics Program. And you can see more details about JASP in this website here, jasp-stats.org. It's a free and open source program for statistical analysis. It allows you to import files in various formats like .csv, .txt, and all of these. And you can export results in various formats like PDF and HTML. So there are two ways to run JASP. One is web application, and the other one is standalone application. So we will first go over how we can download and run standalone application, and then we'll quickly look at how we can run a web application. The main difference between these two ways is that the standalone has full functionality, but the web applications may have limited functionality. So whenever possible, I suggest you to download and install an standalone application. Alright, so to download standalone application, we go to this website, jasp.stats.org/download. And then depending on what operating system you have, you'll have to click on one of these. So I have Windows. I'm going to be using this one over here. So now to install the program, just go to the JASP website. So go to www.jasp-stats.org. And then you can just click here, download JASP, or if you go to download tab over here, then it will give you a bunch of options. So since I have Windows, I'm just going to click on Windows installer. So once it gets downloaded, we'll run this file and install the program. Alright, so now you can just click on this file, or you can navigate to your downloads in your files and click on the file. So I just click on the file over there, so hit OK. You may have to wait for a few minutes, but it should pop up this setup dialog box. So accept the terms, hit install. So it looks like the Firefox program we have opened is creating the problem. So let's try to close that program, this Firefox. And then, let's hit OK. So it looks like we are done installing the program. And you can hit finish. All right, here it is. So in our next videos, I will show you how to use these tools over here with specific examples. So I'm going to close it here. And if you need to open the program again, you can go to this start menu and just type in JASP. Alright, so here is the program we just installed. So if you click on it, then it should open the program. Alright, so now we look at how we can use an web application for JASP. Let's go to new tab. One of the web applications is in Role App. So you can just type in roleapp.com/app/JASP. And then once you're there, click on Launch Online. If you click on Login, it will allow you to log in with Google or Facebook or Amazon. So I'm logged in. Let's proceed to JASP. So I'm going to proceed without upgrading. Okay, here it is. So in our next videos, we will work on some specific examples of statistical analysis in this platform. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.